Hello, I'm Dr. Noelle Reid coming to you from our brand new yoga studio in West Hollywood, California at Trinity Health and Wellness Medical Group. So I had a follower ask me about sciatica, and particularly exercises for sciatic pain. Well, what is sciatica? Sciatica is a condition in which spinal nerve roots, particularly those of the lumbar and sacral spine, become either compressed or inflamed. Now this can occur whenever there's a disc herniation or tight tense muscles compress upon those nerve roots or the sciatic nerve itself. That can cause significant pain in the buttocks, which can also move down the back of the legs. So today we'll be doing yoga exercises to help alleviate this type of pain and hopefully prevent future flares in the future. So with that said, let's begin. We're going to start in mountain pose, okay? So that's with our feet hip distance apart in parallel position, and we're going to bring our arms up towards the ceiling, taking a deep breath in and exhaling with a flat back for a forward bend. Now, whenever you're doing a forward bend with low back injuries, it's best to do it in a hinge movement so that you're not putting too much strain on the lower back. And wherever you end up, depending upon your flexibility, you're just going to hang and continue to breathe in and out through your nose. And if you can, just sway from side to side, trying to relax those muscles along the spine. Okay? And now I want you to place your feet wherever you end up, whether that be the floor, ankles, or shins. And I want you to look just in front of you, getting a deeper stretch into the hamstring, the buttocks, and the lower back. Deep breath in and exhale. Good. And now I want you to place your hands in front of you, and we're going to go to a plank position. Okay, so whenever you have low back injuries, it's best to do strengthening as well as stretching exercises. So plank certainly does help for strengthening the core. It's really a full body workout, but we're going to hold here for just a few seconds, taking a few breaths in and out through the nose. And just so you know, a modification for this, if you cannot hold your whole body up, you can certainly put your knees on the floor, but I'm going to go back up to plank. A few more breaths in. Exhale. Good. And then we're going to come down to our knees and back to child's pose, which is a great stretch for the upper and lower back. Take a deep breath in and exhale. In through the nose, out through the nose. Now I want you to take your left arm and you're going to place it just under your right, placing your head onto the floor if you can, for a nice stretch just behind the shoulder there. Remembering to breathe. And another deep breath in and out. And now we're going to place the right arm under, stretching the other side, getting into that shoulder. Breath in and out. And take another deep breath in and out. Good. Now place your hands back to child's pose. Deep breath in and out. Good. Now we're going to come up to neutral spine. So hands underneath your shoulders and knees underneath your hips. And we're going to do cat and cow. We're going to take a deep breath in, looking up towards the ceiling, and exhale. Contracting the back. Good. Deep breath in, and exhale. Deep breath in, and exhale. And now we're going to take one more deep breath, looking up towards the ceiling, and exhale. Good. And now we're going to come back to neutral spine. Now you can bend your legs beneath you, and we're going to come back onto our bottoms and scooch up onto our back. And now you stretch your arms, your legs in front of you, arms at your side. And now if you can, I want you to bring your right leg up, and depending upon your flexibility, I want you to grab that big toe. You can also bend your knee to help with your flexibility, okay? So if you can, bring it in towards your head, and on an inhale, lift up, lifting up towards the leg. Good. stretch into the hamstring as well as the spine. Good. And relax down. Now if you can, bring your leg over to the side. More of a stretch. Down your hamstring and into your adductors. Good, and we're going to bring it up and reach up. A little bit of core work here. And relax down. Okay, and now we're going to try the other side. So, bend your right leg. You're going to straighten your left leg up. Flex your foot. Grab onto the big toe and pull it towards your head. And lift up. Deeper stretch. And core. And down. And let's go up one more time. Up. Good. And down. And now we're going to stretch our leg out to the side. Getting into the hamstring as well as the thigh, inner thigh or adductor muscles as well. Good. And now you're going to bring your leg up. And down. Okay. So now I want you to bring your knees into your chest. Good. Deep breath in. Pressing your knees deeper into the chest. And we're going to do a stretch that's good for the piriformis muscle. So I want you to bring your right foot over your left knee. You're going to put your right arm underneath your right leg. Hold onto your left knee. I know these are a lot of directions. And pull close to your chest. So it's stretching into the right buttock. Piriformis, where it can sometimes get pretty tight. It can cause compression of nerve as well. Good. Remembering to breathe the whole time. And now we're going to try the other side. So now we're going to put the left over the right. Okay, bending that right knee. Left arm under. We're going to grab onto the right knee and pull into the chest. Good. And breath work helps with flexibility. Getting oxygen to those muscles and helping to relax those muscles. Okay, one more deep breath in and out. Excellent. Okay, and now we're going to bring our legs down. Now this next exercise, a little bit more advanced. I only want you to do if you feel comfortable, and it's a shoulder stand. So let me scooch down on my mat just a bit. So what I'm going to do is bring my legs up. And you're holding just with your elbows. And now you're going to bring your legs over your head for a deep stretch into the lower back. If you can get them to the floor, that's a good thing. And to get an even deeper stretch into the spine, you're going to flex your feet and push up. Good, breathing the whole time. And this helps to stretch all of the paraspinal muscles pretty much from the upper, mid, and lower back. Good. Good. And now we're going to bring our legs down. Okay? And we're going to come up. Forward bend. Okay, and then we're going to come up onto our feet. Stretch the quads just a bit. Okay. Another forward bend. And come up with a flat back. And we're done. So, I hope you enjoyed these exercises today. And certainly if you want to work out with us here at Trinity Health and Wellness Medical Group, you can give us a call at 323-874-1200. You can also check out our website at trinitymedgroup.com, as well as our Facebook page at /Trinity Med Group, and you can also check out our YouTube, and that's Trinity 7231. If you have any suggestions, if there are some ailments that you have that you would like exercises for, please send us a message. So this is Dr. Reid signing off, and I hope that you enjoyed today's exercise. Take care.